Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the spawn windows, open the map, and head directly to the highest density node. Once there, plant your waypoint and clear mobs quickly so nodes reset faster. Make sure to equip a Tier 3 pickaxe and a yield buff. This increases ore quantity per hit. You should harvest methodically, 2-3 swings per node to avoid destroying veins, then move on to the next cluster. If you see multiple players, stagger approaches to reduce competition and maximize effective gathering. Once done with the first pass, optimize by running a tight loop. Node to B2C, then rest 12-15 minutes so local spawn timers refresh. Make sure to slot enchantments and temporary buffs before each run. Fortune-style bonuses scale yield, and stacking plus 10% increments compounds over multiple nodes. If nodes are empty on repeat, rotate instances, or switch servers, that resets global spawns. Also coordinate with teammates. Assign roles so gatherers can focus while others clear threats. You finish a session by securing and banking ore. Don't carry large stacks into risky zones. Once done, sort ore. Keep crafting amounts and list excess on market after a short cooldown to protect prices. If your yields are low, refine your timing and tool upgrades, make incremental swaps and measure results. Troubleshoot with a simple relog and cache clear if nodes fail to appear, then revisit known spawn points. If problems persist, try a different instance or verify server cycle status to confirm spawn windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.